There is a goddess so powerful, even Adi Shankaracharya was afraid of her. We are talking about a Shakti Petha located in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, one of the seven sacred cities of India, a moksha kshetra, a city that doesn't just bless you, it liberates you. Here, Ma Kamakshi sits in full glory, seated in Padmasana, radiating grace. In her hands, a sugarcane bow and flower arrows, not weapons of war, weapons of love. On her hand, a parrot, Sukha, the messenger of Kamadeva, the god of divine desire. She enchants all three worlds. They call her Trilokya Mohini. She faces east, toward new beginnings, toward the rising sun. But she wasn't always like this. When Adi Shankaracharya arrived here centuries ago, he found her in Ugra Roop, fierce, untamed, consuming. Raw Shakti so intense it was destabilizing everything around her. He didn't fight her, he didn't run. He installed the Sri Chakra, the sacred geometric yantra that holds the blueprint of the entire universe, directly in front of her, and in that moment, she transformed. Ugra became Anugraha, fierce became grace. That Sri Chakra still sits before her today. The body part that fell here was her navel, Nabhi, the seat of creation, the place where all life originates. Before darshan, devotees bathe in the Kamakshi Sarovar, a golden lotus pond inside the temple complex. They arrive heavy with worry, grief, longing. They leave light. And who comes here? Couples seeking union and marriage blessings, mothers praying for children, musicians, dancers, and poets asking for creative gifts, seekers of all kinds asking for the one thing that can't be bought, moksha, liberation. She gives all of it because she is desire itself, and she already knows what you truly want even before you do. Right beside her temple stands the Ekambarswara Shiva temple. Even in Kanchipuram, she is inseparable from Shiva. This city holds both Shakti and Shiva, and in holding both, it holds you. She is part of a sacred trinity, Kamakshi of Kanchipuram, Meenakshi of Madurai, Vishalakshi of Varanasi. Three mother goddesses, three faces of the same love. This is a Sattva Pita, not the Shakti that destroys, not the Shakti that pushes you into action, the Shakti that loves you into liberation. Kamakshi doesn't demand surrender, she makes you want to surrender. She draws you in, with beauty, with grace, with desire so pure it becomes devotion until you forget everything except her. That is sattva, clarity, fullness, the kind of love that doesn't bind you, it sets you free. Shankaracharya, the greatest Advaita philosopher who ever lived, the man who debated every tradition and won, came here and bowed down. That tells you everything, and you were born into it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.